When people migrate to new lands, alien species go with them. More than 200 years ago, Europeans colonized Australia. Stowaway rats from their ships soon overran the countryside. Later, settlers brought over cats to rid the fields of the rats. Because they encountered no predators, the cats multiplied quickly and threatened the survival of the native animals. As the number of these aliens increased, biodiversity decreased. The cats escaped into the wild and with no natural enemies grew big and fierce, and today they are about 3 times as large as house cats. In the 1870s, the settlers introduced rabbits and foxes to hunt for sport. The foxes preyed on farm animals and have now spread across 3/4 of the continent and cause more than $2 million in damage each year. The foxes and the wild cats feasted on some of Australia's unique marsupials and ate them into extinction. Today, Australia has more than 500 million rabbits, sometimes called the world's most ecologically damaging herbivore. These animals eat plants, destroying topsoil, damage farmers' crops, and wreck the habitat of many native species. You don't have to live on an island to see an alien. You may find one in your own backyard. Although they have made themselves at home, starlings were once aliens in North America. In the 1890s, a group of people in New York decided to import all the birds mentioned in Shakespeare's plays. They brought in a few pairs of starlings, along with the other birds, and released them in New York's Central Park. The people did not realize the problems the starlings would cause. These aggressive birds compete with native birds for food and take over the nests of some species. There are now about 200 million starlings throughout the United States. Starlings also transmit a number of diseases that can affect humans, poultry, and livestock. Researchers have discovered that these birds sometimes carry a form of E. coli bacteria that can cause sickness in humans and other animals. The droppings of an infected bird can contaminate cattle feed and city environments.